We are just going to go ahead and get started. Today, she wanted a half up, half down hairstyle, and I'm going to tell you right now, I am terrible at doing single French braids. So, right now, I'm just going to go ahead and detangle her hair. I've already detangled it at this point. It just makes the videos go by a little bit faster. And I don't think you guys really enjoy watching me detangle her hair all the time. But if you do, make sure that you go over to our previous videos and you can see a little bit more in-depth video of how I actually detangle her hair. So, like I said before, she wanted a half up, half down hairstyle. So I'm going to go ahead and part her hair right, not right down the middle, it's right in front of her ear. And then I'm going to do that, make a line from the right side to the left side of her head. I'm going to do my best to make it as straight as possible. And then once I've got her hair sectioned off how I want it sectioned, I'm going to go ahead and take that back section, twist it up, and put it in a hair tie. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and take that top section. I'm going to brush it one more time, get it all nice and smooth out. And then once I have it all smoothed out, I'm going to go ahead and use the Murray's Edge Wax. I'm going to put a little bit of that on my fingertips, and then I'm going to rub it in between my fingertips and then press it onto her hair. I used to just leave it like this, but I noticed that if I don't actually comb it through a little bit, then the product just sits on top of her hair and then it looks like she has a lot of buildup, and that is not the look that we're going for. Okay, so you remember when I said that I'm not the best at French braiding just one braid? I could do two French braids, but just doing one, I don't understand what it is, but it is not my strong suit. Can I braid and can I get it done? Absolutely. But it is not my strong suit. So this braid was actually supposed to go straight back. I don't know if it's because we were recording or what, but her hair or the braid ended up going towards the left instead of straight back. So we had to pivot because this is actually the second time that I'm trying to do this braid. So we had to pivot. I just kept going. I realized that it was crooked about halfway, but I didn't want to undo her braid, so I didn't. I say we, but I decided that we were just gonna put her little ponytail on the side of her head instead of going straight back. I also use this rat tail comb because I realized that some of her hair wasn't as tucked in as much as I had wanted it to. So it's a little trick that I learned. Couldn't tell you where. It might have been my mom or a video that I saw. But I just take the comb and I comb it towards her braid, and then I use the rat tail end and tuck it in. So then it looks like I did a really good job. But in reality, it's not the best job that I've done. And then I do apologize for the angle of this video. I didn't realize until I was done with her hair that we did not get very good angles for you guys. So if we happen to do this style again, then I will make sure to do a better job. We will try to do this hairstyle again just so that you can get a better view of everything. But right now, I am just putting her hair into a ponytail. I use that edge wax again to smooth out her edges. And then I'm going to take that comb and the brush to smooth everything out. And then she just wanted her hair to be left out of the pony, or just she just wanted her hair to be left out. So what I decided to do is use the Big Poppa from Most Def, and I'm gonna go ahead and section her hair off. There's a previous video where I go a little bit more in depth because she has her hair mostly curly in that video. But basically, I just take the Most Def, I rub it in between my hands before I put it into her hair, and then I'm going to rake it through her hair. If I feel like her hair doesn't have enough product in it, of course, I will add more. and I just go by feel. So if I don't feel enough product, then I will add more product, and then I continue to rake it through. Once I feel like it's raked through, I will use the detangling brush, and I'll use the side of the detangling brush and just work my way downwards. But also, I am going to end up raking the product through again because I notice, at least with my hair, if I use a brush and I just leave it that way, then my hair tends to actually get more frizzy. So I went back in and did a little bit of the finger detangling, I guess you could say, raking it through, and then I scrunch her hair at the end because with her hair getting longer, her curls are elongating. She used to have more of a spiraled curl, but her hair is getting heavier. So I just scrunch it at the bottom just to add that little extra curl just in case it needs a little bit more. And again, just raking that product through and making sure that it's all the way throughout her hair, giving it that little scrunch to give her hair a little bit more help. And here is the final result. Ignore our room. This is just where we were for better lighting. But I think that it turned out really well. This hairstyle lasted probably about 4 days. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.